The ORICO 4-bay hard drive docking station with offline clone SATA to USB 3.0 HDD docking station is a versatile and efficient solution for managing multiple hard drives. Here's a comprehensive review based on its features and performance. Key features. Quad bay design, supports up to 4 2.5/3.5-inch HDDs or SSDs, providing ample storage capacity. Offline clone function, allows for easy duplication of hard drives without the need for a computer. USB 3.0 connectivity, ensures fast data transfer speeds up to 5 Gbps, reducing wait times during file operations. Tool-free installation, simplifies the process of adding or removing drives, making it user-friendly. Durable build, constructed with high-quality materials for long-lasting use. Performance. The ORICO 4-bay docking station excels in providing a reliable and efficient way to manage multiple hard drives. The offline clone function is particularly useful for duplicating drives quickly and easily. The USB 3.0 connectivity ensures fast data transfer speeds, making it ideal for users who frequently move large files. Pros. High storage capacity, supports up to 4 drives, allowing for significant storage expansion. Fast data transfer, USB 3.0 speeds up to 5 Gbps ensure quick file transfers. User-friendly, tool-free installation and offline clone function make it easy to use. Durable construction, built with high-quality materials for durability. Cons. Bulky design, the docking station is somewhat large, requiring adequate desk space. Initial setup, may require some technical understanding for first-time users. Real-world use cases. Creative professionals, ideal for video editors and photographers who need to manage large project files. Data backup solutions, perfect for businesses needing reliable and fast backup options. Tech enthusiasts, great for users looking to expand their storage capacity efficiently. Conclusion. The ORICO 4-bay hard drive docking station with offline clone SATA to USB 3.0 HDD docking station is a robust and efficient solution for managing multiple hard drives. Its high storage capacity, fast data transfer speeds, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any tech setup. While it may be bulky and require some initial setup, its performance and versatility outweigh these minor drawbacks.